Getting started navigation. Where do you begin? What do you do? Well, that's what the students are asking. Well, it's our job to make sure that the students know exactly where to begin in your course. If it's face-to-face, you've given them some clues, often in the syllabus. Most often in the first few minutes of your course, you tell them exactly what to do for the next time. In the online environment, we want to be a lot more intentional about that. We want to have a big red button or a welcome statement or something telling them exactly where to begin once they get inside the LMS, the Learning Management System. In our case, that is Carmen. For starting points, that's up to you. It's your course, but you have a natural starting point. It could be week 1, the reading. It could be the starting page, like I said before. Whatever it is, make sure you're intentional. You say start here, and you tell them the next step. You start here, then you go to here, then you go to here, then you go to here. So now you're building a pattern. You start at the beginning of a module and you progress through it. You go from module to module, and eventually you're done with the course. Establish the pattern and establish the starting point, and the students will be able to follow you. Often, particularly in online courses, there are things we need them to do, them being the students, before they actually get to our course. Now that sounds a little strange, but it's often true. You have technology checks that they should run prior to getting into your course. Sometimes you have a reading that they have to do before they get to the first discussion, which is the first day of the course. Whatever it is, you need to get that information to them. And email is usually the way we do it, and that can be accomplished either through the LMS. You go and find all of their names and they have their emails. You say email all, and away it goes. Or the registrar system also gives you the emails of all the students. In either case, you send them an email telling them what needs to be done before they get to day 1 and where to start in day 1. One of the things they may not know is even how to find the LMS. If they know how to find the LMS, do they know how to find your course in it? So make sure you have all that information there. Make sure it's a simple start, simple directions. You start here, you go here, here, and here. You get to the resources, you get to all of the modules, and you be consistent in your instructions for each module.